Hi Ian, thanks very much for the email. I'm actually on the way back from the IFA Berlin trade show and I'm spending a week in northern Holland. I'm actually right next to the Western Frisian Islands, which are all the way out there. Anyway, you've replaced the PCB on your WML540P. And it's still not working. First thing you need to be aware of is these circuit boards do need programming for the correct model number. You can't just replace the PCB, it must be specifically programmed for your machine. Now I've done a web page for you with the exploded diagrams of the machine, and you will see on there that there's a programming card which you need to upload the actual software onto the main circuit board. The other problems that might be happening, because you say the lights are still working now, everything's functional, but you can't get the machine to start. I would also check the printed circuit board and make sure that the wiring from the circuit board going to the door interlock, I'm just moving around here for you because there's a lovely little sailing boat going out. The actual door locks do get common faults with these, and this is what might have actually blown the circuit board in the first place. It is very common for the door interlock wiring plug to burn. It's a constant fault on some of these early Hotpoint machines. They have rectified a problem, I believe now, but they did cause lots of problems with the actual door interlock wiring burning and then actually blowing the circuit board. You can replace the circuit board, which you've done, but you still may have a door lock problem. So it's worth checking that before doing anything else. Also inspect the carbon brushes if it is a carbon brush motor on this machine, as one of the other components on the machine may have caused a problem which blew your original circuit board. Anyway, all the information that you need I'm putting on this page for you. I hope it helps you, and goodbye from Holland and the Frisian Islands. I'm back in the workshop, by the way, in a week's time, but if you need a phone call, feel free to contact us, but I won't be in the UK until after the 23rd.